Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can add friends into your account on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Dota 2 on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can find the Play Dota option at the bottom right corner. Now if you wish to add friends, then click on the main menu icon at the top, and once you are taken into the main page, you will see the Search Friends option at the left side. Click on the Add Friend button alongside the search button, and this will now open up the Add Friend menu. You will need to enter the player ID number. You can find your player ID number when you click on the Add Friend button as well. Just enter the ID number of the player that you wish to add, and then click on the search button. This will then take you into their account, and you can find the Add Friend button. Once you click on this button, a friend request will be sent from your account, and this person will simply need to click on the Accept button to accept you as their friend. Once they have accepted your request, you can find them within your friends section, and you can add them to your party to start playing together right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends within your account on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.